For shower doors and tubs, use a method that dissolves mineral deposits and lifts soap scum without damaging surfaces. Start by mixing equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle and add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap to cut oils. Spray the entire door and tub surface generously and let it sit for 10 minutes so the acetic acid can soften mineral scale and the surfactant can penetrate soap residue. While the solution works, run your shower on hot for a minute to increase humidity and loosen grime, then work from top to bottom with a non-abrasive sponge using circular motions for glass and a soft nylon brush for grout lines. For persistent spots on glass, wrap a cloth soaked in straight white vinegar to the spot for 5 to 10 minutes before scrubbing. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then pass a squeegee across glass and tile while they are still wet to prevent new spotting. For bathtub surfaces, finish with a microfiber cloth buff to remove streaks and restore shine. And for any remaining mineral halos, use a paste of baking soda and water applied with a soft brush, rinsed well afterward. Finally, establish a routine of quick weekly sprays and daily squeegees to keep buildup from reforming and to reduce the need for heavy scrubbing. A common mistake is using abrasive pads or powdered cleansers that scratch glass and dull tub finishes, so always choose non-abrasive sponges and soft brushes. Another issue is letting water dry on surfaces, which leaves mineral spots. So wipe or squeegee doors and tub walls after each use to stop spotting at the source. A third problem is mixing incompatible cleaners like vinegar with bleach, which creates toxic fumes, so never combine cleaners and always rinse thoroughly between different products. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas related to whole shower cleaning and broader bathroom work. We also help contractors find jobs and connect with homeowners. And our site includes an active discussion community where users share tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice.